Good evening everyone, my name is John and welcome to the math series. Last time we talked about integers, particularly addition and subtraction, and for tonight we're going to have multiplication and division. Before we proceed, thank you very much frontliners for your efforts against COVID-19. We salute you guys. Also, massive shout out to Ate Susan Trinidad of Susan's Kitchen for her dinakdakan and quail eggs. Ate Susan, thank you very much. Also to Ate Grace Atwood, thank you very much for the Elmo cake for Leon's 7 month. So if you're after delicious meals and tasty cakes, you may contact Ate Susan and Ate Grace. So guys, remember, for multiplication and division, just remember these rules. Okay, for our general rule for multiplication and division, we've got like signs and unlike sign. For like signs, whenever you multiply or divide, the answer is always positive. For example, positive times positive is positive, negative times negative is positive. Also, for division, positive divided by positive is positive, and negative divided by negative is positive. For the unlike signs, whenever you multiply or divide, the answer will always be negative. For example, positive times negative is negative, negative times positive is negative, positive divided by negative is negative, and negative divided by positive is still negative. To simplify the rule, let's have an analogy. First, if you love to love, then you're a lover. If you hate to hate, then you're a lover. If you love to hate, then you're a hater. And lastly, if you hate to love, then you're a hater. So take note of this concept whenever you multiply or divide integers, okay? Okay guys, let's crack on. Let's have multiplication first. Let's go to multiplication. So whenever you multiply integers with like signs or similar signs, the answer will always be positive. Let's have some examples. 4 times 5, positive 4 times positive 5 is positive 20. And take note, you may not write the positive or the plus sign. And then, negative 8 times negative 7, negative times negative is positive. So, positive 56. Again, you may not write the positive or the plus sign. Next, we've got positive 12 times positive 5, that's 60. Positive 60. And then, negative 11 times negative 7, negative times negative, positive. So, we have 77, positive 77. And then, for our unlike signs. For example, number 1, positive 4 times negative 5. So again, positive times negative is negative. So we're expecting a negative answer. So 4 times negative 5 is 20, negative 20. Okay? Then, negative 8 times 7, negative times positive is negative. So we have negative 56. And then, negative 12 times 5, negative times positive is negative. So we have negative 60. And then, 11 times negative 7, positive times negative, negative. So we have negative 77. Okay, so that's multiplication. Now, let's go to division. Let's go to division. So for the like signs, we've got positive divided by positive is positive for the quotient. Let's have an example. Positive 10 divided by positive 5 is positive 2. Again, you don't have to write the sign. Next, we have negative 24 divided by negative 6. So again, negative divided by negative is positive. So the answer is positive 4. Okay? So next, we have 4/12. That's a fraction and we can simplify it. So let's divide the fraction with the greatest common factor, and that's 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we have 1/3. Positive 1/3 because both integers are positive. Next, let's go to the unlike signs. So examples, negative 10 divided by 5, negative divided by positive, the answer should be negative. So we have negative 2. And then, positive 24 divided by negative 6, positive divided by negative is negative. So we have negative 4. And then we have negative 63 divided by 9, negative divided by positive although that's a fraction, we still perform the division operation. So we have negative 63 divided by positive 9. Negative divided by positive is negative. So we have negative 7. Lastly, we have 9 over negative 81. So that's a fraction, and we can just simplify by dividing both integers by the greatest common factor, which is 9. So we have 9 divided by 9 is 1, and then 81 divided by 9 is 9. And then positive 9 divided by negative 81, again, positive divided by negative is negative. So we have negative 1/9. Okay, so let's go to the quiz part. So we have 7 times 9. So positive times positive, positive 63. Next, we have negative 12 times 2, negative times positive, negative. So the answer is negative 24. And then we have 38 divided by 2. Positive divided by positive is positive. So we have positive 19. You don't have to write the sign. And then we have negative 75 divided by negative 3. So negative divided by negative is positive. So we have positive 25. And then we have 3 over negative 9. So again, positive divided by negative is negative. And we simplify this fraction by dividing both integers by the greatest common factor, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So again, positive 3 divided by negative 9, positive divided by negative is negative. So we have negative 1/3. So notice the negative sign before 9. Instead of writing it in the denominator part, it's better to write it with the numerator part or before the bar line. Okay, so who got the perfect score? Well done. If not, practice makes perfect again. Okay guys? So guys, that's it. Multiplication and division of integers. I hope you've learned something new today or you've refreshed your knowledge about integers. If you like the content of this video, feel free to click the thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and hit the bell icon for future videos. Okay guys, I'll see you in our next math series episode as well as in our IELTS series and healthcare series. I'll see you later. Bye!